In this video, I'm going to show you how you can curve text in Canva. So if you want to create this curve text effect, maybe you want to curve some text around an image, then I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this. So let's start by heading over to the Canva website and clicking on Create a Design. And then we're just going to select one of these templates to create our curved text. From the left-hand navigation, click on Text, and then simply drag in some text into your design. So I'm just going to rename this text here Curved Text, and then we can simply reposition and resize this on the screen. I'm also going to change the font color to a blue. Now, in order to make this text curved, all you simply need to do is click on Effects and then scroll down to the bottom here and you'll see this curve effect. Go ahead and click on this. And just like that, it will automatically curve your text. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom here, you can adjust the intensity of the curve. So we can set this all the way down to 100 for a full curved effect like this. Or you can set this all the way over to the left to kind of create this reversed curved effect. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.